numbers. Getting my point? Okay. So before I proceed for the addition, we have to understand that what is exactly addition. We have to understand that what is exactly addition. Addition किसको कहते हैं? What is addition exactly? So let's see what is addition exactly. Okay, addition means what? Addition is putting the things together. Putting things together or calculating things together. Or process calculating total two or more numbers. That is called addition. In my mind?
Yes, listen students, don't send the message in a chat box. Now sir is sharing your PPT. So first of all, look at properly the PPT, listen properly. No need to type message in a chat box. Okay?
Whenever teachers will be asking you questions, that time you are supposed to answer to chat box. This time, please be attentive here. What is being shown to you? Okay? Yes. So I told you that what is addition exactly? Addition means counting things all together. Counting things all together or putting the things together or process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. This is called addition. Got the addition? Addition means what? Calculating things together. Calculating more things or calculating 1, 2, 3 things. More numbers. Calculating more things, calculating more numbers all together. This is called addition. Got it? Yes? Okay. Proceeding further now. What is the addition? Addition is the process whereby we put objects. I have already said you. These are the definitions of addition. If anyone's asked you, tell me what is the definition of addition? What is addition exactly? That time you are supposed to answer. You could tell them that what is addition? Addition is the process where we calculating numbers all together. Addition is the process where we count the numbers all together. This is the addition. Getting my point, friend? Understood what is addition exactly? Understood what is the definition of addition? If yes, then please type Y in the chat box. If yes, please type Y in the chat box. Do you understand what is the definition of addition? Addition is the process where we calculate the numbers all together, where we all together, where we count the things all together, and this process is called addition. If you understood the definition of addition, please type 1 in the chat box. Teacher Maya, please see that the children are answering.
Yes, they are sending Y. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So we learned that what is addition exactly, what is the definition of addition. Okay, now I'm coming to you, dear children. Okay, I'm Dhruv, I'm coming to you, Dhruv Wag. Everyone message yourself, please unmute yourself. Dhruv Wag, I'm coming to you. Dhruv Wag. Dhruv Wag. I said everybody classroom. Okay, I'm going to Rushi Dongre. Rushi, I'm coming to you. Rushi, I'm coming to you. Please unmute yourself, Rushi. Rushi Dongre. Okay. I'm up to you. Sainath, please unmute yourself down. Teacher Maya, I'm clearly audible. Huh?
Yes, yes, audible, but sometimes it is breaking. Don't know why. In between.
Okay.
Not continuously, it is
Okay.
audible.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Who is there?
Sainath.
Sainath Kadam. Okay. What
you
is the
are-
definition of addition? We learned that what is the definition of addition?
Addition means we put things together and make answer.
Okay.
Make the
Very nice, beta. Everyone clap for Sainath Kadam. Clap for Sainath Kadam, everyone.
Very good.
Very nice, Sainath. Excellent. Good, beta.
thanks, sir.
Sainath say that putting things together, this is called
Addition.
addition. Very nice. Yes. Please mute yourself, Sainath, now.
Yes.
Please mute yourself. Thank you very much. Okay. So, these kinds of sums of addition you have learned in standard first also. Right? Isn't it? Yes or no? Such kinds of sums. 1 plus 1, 5 plus 2. These kinds of sums you have learned in standard first, second. So you have to answer through the chat box. Answer now. Answer this. What will come? What answer will come here? 1 plus 1. Answer through the chat box. Teacher Maya, it's a request. Please see that children are answering through the chat box.
Yes, sir, yes. All are given the proper answer.
Okay, so 1 plus 1. What is the answer? 2. Then solve this sum. 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3.
Yes, good. Very nice.
1 plus 3. Yes, what is the answer exactly? 4.
Good.
Right? These are the very simple sums. You have learned it in standard first, also in junior, senior KG also. Right? So revising all these short and I will proceed. Answer is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1.
Good. All are given answer right.
Very nice. Very good, children. Thank you. So, we're proceeding further now. Okay. Let's proceed further. Answer this. Everyone. 2 plus 5. This is the vertical arrangement addition, and just recently saw that was horizontal arrangement of addition. Answer through the chat box. 2 plus 5. Answer through the chat box. 2 plus 5. Yes. How you will be counting? Count it together. See. This is 2 numbers. So that's why here 2 figures are given. So 5 figures are given here. You have to count them together. Counting together. This is the addition. Just we saw that. So count them all together. All together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. So 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. Got it, dear children? Teacher Maya, please see that students have answered properly.
Yes, sir. All are
2
given
plus
proper
5,
answer.
7. Very nice. Now, solve this. 2 plus 4, vertical arrangement. 2 plus 4, what answer you get? Answer to the chat box. 2 plus 4. Check your answer. Answer is 6. Counting together. Count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So that answer is 6. I hope you have understood that addition means not counting the thing together. putting the things together, this is called addition. So all these things, dear children, you have learned in standard first, second, junior, senior, and in nursery class also. Okay, so we are not proceeding for this. We'll be going for the. See, this is the horizontal arrangement. This is called horizontal arrangement. Okay, and this is called vertical arrangement. This is the vertical arrangement addition. This is the vertical arrangement of addition. Got it? Yes. Let's proceed further. Now, addition of two-digit numbers. Addition of two-digit numbers. Please solve this, children. Please solve 31 plus 15. 31 plus 15. Add these two numbers. Come on, everyone. Add these two numbers. 31 plus 15. What answer you will get? I had said you. Take your study material with you. Notebook, pen, pencil, whatever things are required. Now solve this. 31 plus 15. Quickly, an answer through the chat box. 31 plus 15. Check your answer. The answer is 46. The correct answer is 46. Please see that the children are answering properly. The answer is 46. I want to see whatever answer you have given. Danish Kabja, answer is 46 beta. It's not 49. I want answer from every child. Samrat Singh, the answer is 46. Not 45 beta. Everyone, very nice. Obeds, Dhruv, Livina, Tanesh, wrong answer given beta. Akshita, excellent. Now solve this now. This 44 plus 30. Solve this sum. 44 plus 30. And answer through the chat box. 44 plus 30. Solve this. And answer through the chat box. Very nice. Answer through the chat box, dear children. Let's see what answer you given. Okay, 74. Very nice. Mayank, Siddharth, Sainath, Rushi beta, it's a 74 answer, not 84. Nidhi, Alankrita, Surender, Ananya, Samyak, very nice. All have one correct answer, 74. Good. Excellent, children. Very nice. Now let's proceed further. Now, we are proceeding for 3-digit numbers. We are proceeding for 3-digit numbers. See, the numbers are written in front of you. Numbers are written in front of you. 172 plus 314. Please solve this answer. Solve the question and give the answer through the chat box. 172 plus 314. What answer you'll be getting? Please answer through the chat box. Write down the numbers in your notebook. 172 plus 314. And solve it. Answer the chat box. How many you have answered? Okay, 486. Children have 86. Okay, let's check the answer. What's the correct answer? Let's check the answer, children. The answer is, yes, exactly. The answer is 486. Answer is